That's a lot of dogs.
Quite a few, yeah. How are you?
Good.
Good.
So, whoops. Yeah, I'm on Forest Road 2022 off of the Santiam Highway, and I just finally came to this really beautiful area with this gorge, and so I decided to start get the video going, get the GoPro on. It's just gorgeous down there. Share the road! Okay, which road? I've yet to see anybody else on the road to share it with. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. That was a bunch of holes. Ah. Another bridge. Oh, good. Maybe we're getting into something a little bit more interesting here. That's interesting. Well, somebody's been in here on a motorcycle because I see the track. Maybe that was Gary's from a couple of weeks ago, or last week. He was just here last week. But he has different tires than I do. I hate it when you get in the shadows, you can't see what's there. I got the amber glasses. Wow. I'll get some good holes there. Wee-wee. That's interesting. Oh. Had a branch grab me. A little tiny one that I didn't see. Yeah, as soon as those clouds burn off, it really warms up. Probably be too warm here for this sweater here in a minute. bump. That's just hilarious. Call that a bump, huh? Whoa, that's interesting. I guess if you're in a car, that'd be a bump. Wow, that's kind of a bump. That's nice of them to provide signs. Kind of a cool little valley to go through. Looks like we got a hunk of a log in the road. Got some rocks in the road. Rocky Road. That must be where they got the name. Maybe it was rocks in the road. Whoa, not some rocks in the road. Definitely rocks in the road. It's funny, I'm still on this road. The same road. From what I remember on the map, southwest. Okay. Going southwest. Huh. Okay. It eventually brings me over to the other side. Another rock in the road. Yep, a lot of the rocks, a lot of boulders falling off the side. Oh, didn't see that one. Nah, go ahead. That's a lot of dogs.
Quite a few, yeah. How are you?
Good.
Good.
So, whoops. Yeah.
Yep.
So did you guys just come all the way up here from 126?
No, we came off Router Ridge or Deer Creek off of Highway 20 up by Keystone Pass.
Wow, so you're just training them?
Yep, we're training them. We're volunteers for Fish and Wildlife, and
Okay.
we do the trigger study for them in the LC unit the last 4 years.
Okay, cool.
They allow us to train them year round so they're in shape and ready if they need to use them.
Awesome. Man, those are some beautiful dogs.
This morning's just kind of been a fiasco. We started one and trailed off into the wilderness area and called them all back but one, and he went clear through and came out up by the path where 100 people were trying to hike in a trailhead.
Wow, I bet you that was surprising for them.
Yeah, some of them, 90% of them are really nice.
Right.
There's a few that didn't like it.
Well, right. Some people are not exactly, outdoorsy. They're, hey, how you doing? How you doing?
Say hi.
Yeah, I know. I got all sorts of stuff on here. Whoa, this is not what I expected in here. Did not expect to hit this instant, just serious downgrade. All right. And that is really steep. I mean, if I'm putting it in first gear, the engine break down, I know it's, you know it's steep. Yeah, that was a hairy piece of road. Definitely not a road for a car. Okay, here's 1513. Now, if I went up there, I mean, I could take it right here. And the way it reacts in wind, and that hurt. Just fell over. Just sitting there. That's the only time I ever fall over. Had the kickstand down too. Oh, over on the other side. Okay. Yeah, I kind of flopped over. Just sitting there, had the kickstand down, but I flopped over on the other side. So it wasn't too big of a deal. The bike isn't all that heavy. Got it back up, and I need to find a good place I can fly that drone. I haven't had enough experience to go fly it up between all these trees. It makes me a little nervous. Well, that might be a spot. Right up here. I might be able to use this. Huh. Let's take a look. Maybe. Try not to fall over.